This is my theory for the origins of life. Essentially, nucleic acids form spontaneously in electric field. So that's one nucleotide, half the ladder, if you will, of a DNA strand. So let's say we have hundreds of thousands of millions of these formed in an electrical storm, and they're all in a pool. Now, the bond that's formed vertically on the ladder right here is called a phosphatediester bond. So those form spontaneously in my theory. What also forms spontaneously is the hydrogen bonds right here. So essentially, a bunch of free singular nucleotides alone bond to an already encoded RNA strand. So this becomes another encoded strand, which makes a DNA strand, but eventually these DNA strands break apart along their hydrogen bonds, splitting it in two. Now you have two encoded pieces of RNA that encode for another piece of DNA over and over and over again, thereby self-replicating spontaneously without any complex organelles or any long chains of DNA creating complex structures. So the basic structure of life is just two nucleotides in an order, ATGC, and that is the most basic form of life, is a two-ladder strand of RNA. Thank you for listening.